Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of magnesium supplements. Magnesium is essential for over 300 bodily functions. From muscle function to sleep regulation, it's a true powerhouse. Many of us fall short of the recommended daily intake. That's where magnesium supplements come in. They can help ensure your body has all the magnesium it needs. Let's get started. Let's talk about my top pick for the best overall magnesium supplement, magnesium glycinate. This form of magnesium is bound to glycine, which helps calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Magnesium glycinate is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb it effectively. It's well tolerated and less likely to cause digestive upset. Start with around 200 to 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day. Elemental magnesium is the actual magnesium in the supplement. Magnesium glycinate can improve sleep, reduce muscle cramps, and support healthy blood sugar levels. Next, let's talk about a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality magnesium citrate. This form of magnesium is bound to citric acid, which is easily absorbed by the body. Magnesium citrate is widely available and often comes at a more affordable price point compared to other forms. Now, while it's generally well tolerated, some people might experience mild digestive discomfort like loose stools, especially at higher doses. If you're new to magnesium supplements, it's always a good idea to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed. Look for a reputable brand that offers magnesium citrate in capsule or tablet form for easy consumption. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to magnesium supplementation. Taking it regularly can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. If you're struggling with sleep issues, magnesium threonate might be the answer you've been searching for. This unique form of magnesium has gained popularity for its potential cognitive benefits, including its positive impact on sleep. Magnesium threonate is believed to cross the blood-brain barrier more effectively than other forms of magnesium, allowing it to directly support brain health and sleep regulation. It's thought to enhance sleep quality by regulating neurotransmitters involved in sleep-wake cycles. Studies have shown that magnesium threonate can help improve sleep time, reduce sleep latency, the time it takes to fall asleep, and even enhance sleep quality. If you're constantly tossing and turning or waking up feeling groggy, magnesium threonate could be a game changer. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Now, while there are many fantastic magnesium supplements out there, there are also some that you're better off avoiding. One such example is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a commonly available form of magnesium, but here's the catch: it has very low bioavailability. This means that your body can only absorb a small percentage of the actual magnesium content. In fact, magnesium oxide is primarily used as a laxative due to its poor absorption in the gut. It can lead to digestive discomfort, including diarrhea, bloating, and stomach cramps, especially at higher doses. If you're looking for a magnesium supplement to address a deficiency or support your overall health, I highly recommend choosing a different form with better bioavailability, such as magnesium glycinate, citrate, or threonate. For all the fitness enthusiasts and athletes out there, magnesium malate is an excellent choice for supporting muscle recovery and performance. This form of magnesium is bound to malic acid, a natural substance found in fruits like apples. Magnesium malate is involved in energy production and muscle function, making it a valuable ally in your workout routine. It can help reduce muscle soreness, prevent cramps, and support faster recovery after intense exercise. Studies have shown that magnesium malate can improve muscle strength, endurance, and reduce markers of muscle damage. It's a great option for anyone looking to optimize their athletic performance and support their body's recovery process. Remember, proper hydration and a balanced diet are also crucial for muscle recovery, so make sure you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and reviews. Remember, choosing the right magnesium supplement can make a world of difference in how you feel. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, boost your energy levels, or support your muscle recovery, there's a magnesium supplement out there for you. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.